Hi everybody, Sabaidi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I'm going to show you how I make my stir-fry crab with the red curry. So I bought this from my Costco. What I'm going to do is go ahead and wash it, rinse it, and chop it into smaller bite-sized pieces. Just like this. And for the claw, I just went ahead and snap it. So that way the ingredients of the coconut, red curry really gets into the crab meat. Okay, just like this. So now that we're done getting our crab into bite size, let's go ahead and get our vegetable ready. I have an onion. I only use not even half, maybe just like a little bit more than half. I went ahead and go ahead and slice it. And I got my green onion. I'm using 3 stalk. And I did slice the green onion like maybe 1.5 inch to 2. Just like this. Okay, and I'm using Thai basil. This one, I probably use like 4 or 5 branch of it. And what I'm doing is just taking off the leaf from the branch. I'm going to go ahead and slice this. Sometimes I don't even slice it. I just leave it just like that. Okay, now that we got all our vegetables ready, here is all the ingredients that you'll need. Red curry, Maploy brand, but of course you could use any brand. Coconut milk, black pepper, garlic, sugar, oyster sauce, and cooking oil, and all of our sliced vegetable. Let's get started. In a hot pan, I went ahead and add the cooking oil. And then when that gets hot enough, now you want to add in the garlic. Cook the garlic till it's golden brown. Once your garlic is cooked golden brown, you want to go ahead and add in all your crab meats. And stir that up. Once I stir that for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add in my onion. Just add in all of it. I add in the green onion, the harder part of the stalk, the one that takes longer to cook. And then go ahead and stir that up. Now I'm going to add the 1/4 of our red curry. You see that it's not really full of the 1/4, so just like a little bit less. And just go ahead and mix that and stir it. It smells so good right now in my kitchen. I wish you guys could smell it. If you liked the video so far, it would help me out if you hit like. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, let's continue making our stir-fry crab with the red curry and the coconut milk. Doesn't that look so pretty? Okay, now that our stir-fry is almost cooked, go ahead and add in 1/4 of the coconut milk. I'm not even sure why I use 1/4 now and 1/4 later when I could have just dumped it all in here of the 2/4. Okay, now you want to add your 1 tablespoon of sugar. It looks like it's going to make it sweet, but trust me, it does not make this dish sweet at all. And then you want to add your 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Go ahead and mix it up all together. Look how pretty that looks from the red curry to the coconut. Now add in the black pepper, but do not add too much. I want to say like a total of like 2 pinch. And by now you should know, give it a good mix. Okay, now that we're almost done, go ahead and add in the sliced green onion. And now you want to add all your basil leaves and then just stir it. And then add in your other 1/4 of the coconut milk. And then, yep, just stir it up just like that. We're almost done. Okay, now that we're done, we're just gonna go ahead and scoop all that out and plate it. Look at that. I'm serving this with a side of sliced cucumbers, and I have my steamed rice cooking right now. It's almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat that with steamed rice too. I hope you try making this stir-fried crab dish. Come back in the comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching.